Hello dear viewers. In this video we will learn a new technique of separating the mixture component, that is evaporation and condensation. Evaporation is a process of converting water into its vapor below its boiling point or at any temperature. This process is used to separate the mixture of salt and water. For separating salt from water, we should take salty water in a beaker, or the water that contains salt should be taken in a beaker. Then we heat this solution so that water get evaporated. When all the water get evaporated, then salt is left behind in the beaker in the form of solid state. This process of separating salt from water is known as evaporation. This process is used for those mixture in which one component is volatile in nature. Volatile means that component should be evaporated on heating. If we want to collect the volatile component, then we should use condensation process. Condensation is a process of converting water vapors into water on cooling. If we want to collect the water from salty water in another beaker, for this we should collect all the water vapors in another beaker and cool that vapors so that all the vapors are converted into liquid state. This process is known as condensation. The process of evaporation is used for those components which are having different boiling point, or the solutions in which both the components are having different boiling temperature. Boiling temperature is the temperature at which liquids start boiling at atmospheric pressure. In salty water, pure water has 100 degrees Celsius boiling point, whereas salt water has 1413 degree Celsius boiling temperature. There is large difference in their boiling point so that they can easily separated. The process of evaporation is generally used to separate salt from sea water. As we know that sea is the main source of salt, or all the sea water contains salt. That sea water is collected in the shallow pits, so that all the water from shallow pits get evaporated by the heat of the sun, and salt is left behind in the shallow pits in the form of solid state. This is the main source of salt. The evaporation process is also used in industries to purify the salt, as the salt that we get from the sea contains many impurities. So we need to separate that impurities from the salt. For this, in large industries, Again salt is dissolved in solvent and then solvent get evaporated.